writing on the barks of trees, on leaves, and bamboo tubes, using knife, and the colored saps of trees as ink are the existing forms of communication used by ancient Filipinos. To make public announcements in a barangay, a town crier or the umalohokan is going around the community. The sabi, the bugtong, the tutol, and the darangan of the Maranaos. Doctrina Christiana, the first book printed in the Philippines in 1593. This book contained teachings of the Roman Catholic Church. Successus Felicis, released in 1637 and was translated as Fortunate Events since it was the first Philippine newsletter that reported about the battles won by the Spaniards. This was printed by Thomas Pinpin, the father of Filipino printing. Hojas Volantes, also called as the flying sheet, wherein news dissemination via print was done by Spanish government through this one-issue newsletter that was released in 1799. Del Superior Gobierno, the first newspaper published by private initiative and was distributed free in the Philippines on August 8, 1811. It was devoted to news of political conditions in Europe as affecting the interests of Spain and was edited by the Spanish Governor-General himself. It last appeared on February 7, 1812. Noticias Sacadas was published on July 4, 1813, that narrated the battles of Moros in the south. Ramillete Patriotica Manilense, an 8-page monthly newspaper. It was the first frank newspaper and it means a collection of choice things. La Esperanza, the first daily newspaper released on December 1, 1846. It turned out to be dull since it dealt mostly with non-controversial subjects to avoid trouble, as it tried to compromise with the pre-publication censorship during that time. Diario de Manila, best edited newspaper of the era and has a foreign correspondent in Spain. It was staffed by the ablest journalist of his time, Felipe Del Pan. After 38 years of existence, this was suppressed by a Spanish governor-general for it allegedly incited Filipinos' hate against Spaniards. Diaryong Tagalog was the first daily newspaper that lasted from 3 to 5 months. La Solidaridad, published in 1888 and was the most famous pre-revolutionary newspaper. Its editors were Jose Rizal, Graciano Lopez Haina, and Marcelo H. del Pilar.